Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're taking a closer look at 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, featuring real listings, honest prices, and timeless machines. Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster, $3,500, Albany, Kentucky. This 1977 Harley-Davidson Ironhead Sportster offers classic American V-twin character in an honest, ride-ready package. Showing just 14,000 miles, this example is described as running and riding great, with a clean title and reliable hot or cold starting. Powered by the legendary 1000cc Ironhead engine, it delivers raw mechanical feel and unmistakable Harley-Davidson sound. Finished in black, the bike comes with extra parts that allow the next owner to customize it to personal taste. Known for their durability and simplicity, Ironheads reward hands-on ownership and regular maintenance. At this price point, it represents an accessible entry into vintage Harley ownership with strong character and street presence. Number 2. 1970 Triumph TR25W, $3,200, Ocady, South Carolina. The 1970 Triumph TR25W is a lightweight British classic that blends simple engineering with engaging performance. This example has received extensive mechanical attention, including a new piston and rings, lapped valves, fresh seals and gaskets, and a reconditioned speedometer. Suspension and steering components have been refreshed, along with new cables, wiring harness, chain, and Dunlop tires. Featuring a 19-inch front wheel with a twin leading shoe brake and modern electronic ignition, it balances originality with practical upgrades. Offered with delivery options to the Northeast, this TR25W is well suited for riders seeking a sorted vintage single-cylinder machine. Number 3. 1983 Honda Magna, $1,350, Dunn, South Carolina. This 1983 Honda Magna delivers classic V4 performance at an affordable entry point. Finished in black with custom paint, the bike is described as fast, reliable, and lightweight enough for newer riders while still offering strong acceleration for experienced owners. The carburetors have been rebuilt, and it reportedly rides like new. Known issues include the need for brake pads, a possible brake line, and an inoperative speedometer. With its sporty nature and Honda reliability, the Magna remains a popular choice for riders looking for performance-oriented vintage motorcycles with everyday usability. Number 4. 1978 BMW R100, $5,000, Crystal Lake, Illinois. This 1978 BMW R100 stands out with exceptionally low mileage of just 6,700 miles. Garage-kept and previously part of a private collection, it is described as extremely clean and well-preserved. The classic Boxer twin engine offers smooth, dependable power, while the hand-woven custom leather seat adds a unique visual touch. Known for their longevity and ease of maintenance, BMW Airheads are highly respected among touring enthusiasts. Offered as a cash-only sale with no trades, this R100 represents a rare opportunity to acquire a low-mileage example of a highly regarded German classic. Number 5. 1980 Yamaha XS Custom, $3,400, Green Bay, Wisconsin. The 1980 Yamaha XS Custom offers classic Japanese reliability with distinctive styling. Showing higher mileage, this example still runs but will require carburetor cleaning after sitting. The carburetors were replaced in 2018, and the seller notes that substantial work has already been completed, with documentation included. Finished in yellow and offered with a clean title, it presents a solid foundation for continued riding or light mechanical refreshing. The XS series is known for strong engines and straightforward maintenance, making this bike appealing to hands-on enthusiasts. Number 6. 1955 BSA C11G, $2,000, Bloomington, Indiana. This 1955 BSA C11G is a true barn-find survivor from Britain's post-war motorcycle era. Highly original, it retains factory details such as tank badges, speedometer, and seat, along with desirable natural patina. The 250cc single-cylinder engine is currently non-running and untested after years of storage, making it a project candidate. Lightweight and easy to work on, the C11G is well regarded among vintage British enthusiasts. With a clean title and originality intact, this bike offers strong potential for either preservation or full restoration. Number 7. 1982 Suzuki GS 650G, $1,800, LaGrange, Ohio. The 1982 Suzuki GS 650G is a versatile classic suitable for weekend riding or daily use. Showing 28,639 miles, it recently received a new rear tire but will require brake service, a replacement fuel tank, and cosmetic paint work. The seller includes color-matched paint to assist with restoration. Known for smooth inline-4 performance and durability, the GS 650G provides a comfortable riding position and dependable mechanical design. Offered at a reasonable price with flexibility, it represents a practical vintage project with strong usability potential. Number 8. 1965 Norton Electra, $1,850, Cadillac, Michigan. The 1965 Norton Electra is one of the rarest models in Norton's history and their first electric start motorcycle. Produced for only a few years, it remains an uncommon sight today. This listing includes a mostly complete parts bike and several new old stock components, increasing its restoration value. While paperwork is not included, a bill of sale is offered. Ideal for a winter project, the Electra presents endless possibilities, from faithful restoration to custom builds. Its rarity alone makes it a compelling option for collectors seeking something truly different. Number 9. 1978 Kawasaki KZ1000, $6,500, Big Clifty, Kentucky. This 1978 Kawasaki KZ1000 features a built Z1-based engine and mild custom modifications. Finished in black with chrome accents, it includes a widened rear wheel, extended swing arm, performance exhaust, upgraded carburation, and internal engine enhancements. The bike runs and sounds strong, though the seller notes the carburetors may need flushing after suspected bad fuel. With a clean title and new clutch installed, this KZ1000 delivers classic muscle bike performance and visual impact. Number 10. 1997 Harley-Davidson Dyna, $6,500, Loganville, Georgia. This 1997 Harley-Davidson Dyna lowrider combines classic Harley styling with modern usability. Powered by a 1340cc engine, it starts and runs with recent replacement of tires and battery. The bike will require carburetor work, a new drive belt, and occasional transmission adjustment to find neutral. The asking price includes a trailer with negotiation possible if sold separately. For riders seeking a louder, aggressive Harley with strong road presence, this Dyna offers solid value with room for mechanical refinement. Number 11. 1959 Ducati 175 Sport, $1,500, Harvard, Illinois. The 1959 Ducati 175 Sport is a rare, early example of Ducati's single-cylinder beveled drive heritage. Overall condition is solid, though the engine is currently locked from long-term storage. The fuel tank requires repair at the bottom, and no attempts have been made to free the engine to avoid damage. These early Ducatis are increasingly hard to find, especially in complete condition. Offered with shipping assistance available, this 175 Sport presents a rare opportunity for collectors and restoration-focused enthusiasts. Number 12. 1967 Honda Dream 300, $2,000, Orleans, Indiana. This 1967 Honda Dream 300 is a clean and complete example of Honda's early touring motorcycles. Showing 13,300 miles, it has been sitting for several years and is not currently running, though it will briefly fire on starter fluid. Both electric and kickstarters function properly, and the bike retains white wall tires with good tread. Known for smooth operation and distinctive styling, the Dream 300 offers strong restoration potential for enthusiasts of early Japanese classics. Number 13. 1970 Moto Guzzi Ambassador, $6,000, Woodbridge, Virginia. The 1970 Moto Guzzi Ambassador is a torque-rich Italian touring motorcycle with unmistakable transverse V-twin design. This example has been stored for several years and does not currently start, though the engine turns over and attempts to fire. The seller suggests a carburetor adjustment may be all that is needed. Finished in black, the Ambassador offers distinctive styling, durable engineering, and strong collector appeal among Moto Guzzi enthusiasts. Number 14. 1946 Indian Chief, $13,500, Silver Creek, Georgia. This 1946 Indian Chief is an exceptionally rare American motorcycle with unmatched historical significance. Found in Pennsylvania and preserved with original parts and authentic patina, it is presented as a display piece on a roller stand. The bike is non-running but complete, making it highly desirable for collectors. As Indian Chiefs from this era continue to appreciate in value, this example stands out as a museum-worthy survivor from America's motorcycling past. Number 15. 1979 Honda CX500, $850, Columbus, Ohio. The 1979 Honda CX500 is one of the most affordable listings in this lineup. Finished in burgundy, it runs great, shifts smoothly, and is described as having no major issues. With good tires and no reported damage, this CX500 offers Honda's signature reliability in a unique transverse V-twin layout. Offered at $850 or best offer, it represents an excellent entry point for riders seeking a dependable classic motorcycle. That wraps up today's selection of 15 classic motorcycles for sale. If you enjoy real listings and honest market insights, like the video and subscribe to Moto Market Explorer.